Hey there! In this video, we will walk you through creating an integration for sending Monday.com notifications via CommPeak SMS platform. You will learn how to create a new integration based on a preset recipe, enable or disable the created integrations, and perform various actions to your integrations. You can use integration to CommPeak SMS to be notified each time a certain event takes place on your Monday.com board. For example, you may want to receive a message when an item's status changes. Let's see how to set up this integration step by step. To start, click Integrate at the top right of your Monday.com board. In the Integrations Center, scroll down to Apps and select CommPeak SMS. Then select the action you need among the preset recipes. Log into your CommPeak account and confirm the authorization. Now, fill in the details in your recipe by completing the underlined fields. In this example, you should first select the column for the status. Then, add a sender ID, which is one of your approved sender IDs from TextPeak. In the recipient field, type the number that should get notifications. Finally, type your message. You can add tags to auto-populate data from your board, such as the user's name, item name, and status. Then click Done and Add to Board. You will find your integration on the Board Integrations tab. Here, you can add as many integrations as you need for other phone numbers or based on other recipes. Click the toggle to switch off your integration and reactivate it again at any time. More actions can be found under the three-dot menu. In Integration Activity, you will see the history of notifications sent. Thanks for watching. See you in our next videos.